Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve the today's problem of the day of LeetCode. So the question is rotating the box. Question number 1861. The question is very important because it has been asked in many companies previous years. So like Google, Meta, Microsoft, TikTok, and many more companies come world like. So the question says that you are given m cross n matrix of character, and box grid is the name of matrix and representing a side view of the box, and each cell of the box is one of the following: a stone, that is hashtag; a stationary object, that is star; or an empty, that is dot. The box is rotated 90-degree clockwise and causing some of the stones to fall due to the gravity. Each stone fall down until uh, its land or an obstacle, another stone, or the bottom of the box. Gravity does not affect the obstacle position, and inertia from the box rotation does not affect the stone's horizontal position. Okay, it is guaranteed that each stone of the box grid rests on the obstacle, another stone, or the bottom of the box. So return and cross a matrix representing the box after the rotation described above. Okay, so the description is very simple, that we have provided one grid, and after the rotation of 90-degree clockwise we will convert the grid into the into some position, that like this we have converted this into, we will replace the box in vertical form, and after rotation the stone will take place changes according to the gravitational force. So some kind of change happened, so that would be happen due to the gravity and the rotation both. So first rotation apply, then gravity apply, so we have to apply both. So for that I'm going to write this code for the same. For the rotation we have to use simple rotation approach, and for the gravity we have to make it as long as possible to the downward of the earth. So we are going to apply both the code in a single way. So let me try to write the code for the same. Let's take to m equal to m comma n, m comma n equal to len of box grid comma len of box grid 0. So that would be the length and width of the box grid, and after that I will make our answer is a 2D matrix that initially store a dot, that is empty object. Okay, for that one dot would be for underscore in range m, and that would be that row would be present number of n number of times, that means range of n. After that we will apply the gravity to let stone fall to the lowest possible empty cell. Okay, in each column we have to do that. So for that I'm going to apply a loop for I in range m. For every time we will take a lowest row with empty cell. So our lowest row with empty cell, that would I can say that lowest row with empty cell LRVWEC, or we can say just lowest row LR. Okay, and we will take it as n minus 1. We are just initializing one variable, and after that process each cell for in the row I to in reverse order. So for that reverse order we have to make a reverse loop for j in range n minus 1 till the minus 1. We are going downwards to using minus 1, and every time the box, and we found the stone, and when we found a stone, let it fall to the lowest empty cell. So we will check that if a box of ij, box of ij is equal to hashtag, that means there is object, then we have to make it fall down. So place it in the correct position in the rotated grid. For that I will make we will take the answer of lr, and for m minus I minus 1 we will take this position, and that position we will place the object, that is hashtag. So after applying the gravitational force, we will update our lowest row with empty cell, that was our lr, that with minus equal to 1, and we found an obstacle, reset the lowest row with empty cell to the new directly. Okay, and after that, and we will check that if box of ij is equal to star asterisk, that means I will update our answer of j m minus I minus 1 equal to asterisk, and we will update our lr equal to j minus 1. Okay, after that we have to return answer. Now try to run this. Okay, there is runtime error, that box is not defined, so it is box grid, and again it is box grid. Now try to run it again. Yeah, it is accepted. Now try to submit that. Yeah, we have submitted it. So the complexity is big of m into n, so that is an square approach, and we have done with the linear n square extra space. So hope to understand and hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.